number 20. Uy, hayang naman number 15. Number 7. Number 7 na. Number 7, using the slot. Good pursuit. Number 7. Number 24, hitting the ball. Pass to number 14, Aizo. Aizo sa gitna. Wala number 29. Back to number 77 na rin na ito. Grabe number 13. 15, sorry. Sayang. Yeah. Number 29. No. Rino, may number 77. Jumak shot. Pero wala number 7. Wala pa rin. Ano na si Aizo. Aizo, derecho. Stop. Cross. Pass number 11. Number 11 setting the play. Number 88. Number 88 tries to take number 11 for the 2. No. Oh, well, right. Number 24. Pass number 14. Shot. Oh, he's stolen by. Now number 15. Number 15 number 7. Yes, sir. 4-0 on the score. Shot. Bring the ball. Shot. Cross. Pass to Aizo. In the middle. Jump shot. No. Rebound by Tyson. Number 11. Wow. 2 free throw. Yeah. Yes. Look for 1. Shoot 2. Yes. 2-4 on the score. Number 29. Pass number 77. Bring the ball to the sweet number 15. Block number 23. Oh, it's going by Aizo. Pass to Brian. Yes. Number 29 or number 77? Number 77, give me the ball. Pass number 29, back number 77 for the 2-point line. Short. Rebound. Left side ball. Number 14. Shot. Behind the ball. Cross pass to number 14, Aizo. Setting the play. Pass to Brian. Pass to Brian. Number 77 box. Cross over. Oh, wow. Grabe naman ang dalawa. Number 29. Number 29. Setting the play. Cross over. In the middle floater. No. Rebound by number 88 number. Oh, rebound. Now the referee. Yeah. Oi, using the glass. Good for 1. Yeah. Oi, lucky down. 2-6. Number 14, Aizo derecho. Oh, good is good. Number 29, derecho. Crossover play. Jump over the ball. Winning number 7. Number 7. Turnaround shot. Number 11 behind the ball. Behind the ball, number 11. Really. Setting the play. Roy Dayang Kate Aizo. Number 29. Pass number 15. Number 15. Pinalik kay number 77 sa Gilagano. Winning Aizo. Crossover there. Just stop. Oi. Right ball. Last 11 minutes. Number 29. Zenith play. Pass number 77. Number 77. Set into play. Pass. So I going for 3. Number 11. Brilliant. Red. Uy. Grabe naman ang full section. Tarse. Wow. 4-9. Naman pa rin ang lima. Ang Team Eman. Shout out kay Boss Gali. Number 77. Aiso diretso lumipat. Wow! 6, 9, oy! Ato pinasa kay Aiso. Plano natin wala. Sayang ng Aiso. Number 77. Grabe ang dalawa naman ang one shot. Siya diretso.
number 39, Lino Paul.
Pass number 77 for 3. No, so, number 15, number 15, jump shot, number 11, grabe naman si Riles.
Riles setting the play. Pass number 14, back to number 11, Riles. Tayo natin. Oh, wala siya. Sean, setting the play. Uy. Oh, natin. Awang pala.
Number 77, wala na ko number 14, Aizo.
Aizo, nare-record naman. Ayan na. Number mo yan. Number 23, Faith. Back to number 29.
Hey! Number 88, Tarzan.
Tarzan. Nare-record Aizo. Aizo, wow! 17, 11. Last 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
Yeah. Number 15, crossover. Tarzan, shot. Oh,
Shot contest. May ayaw pa. Pasa kay Riles. Faith. Riles nalagay. Oh, reserve roll pass. Nakawali siya managay kay Riles. Riles. Pasa Tarzan for 3. Bang! 3. Change score tayo. Change score. 20, 11 ang score, mga idol. Konti lang yan. Kaya pa yan. Mahaba pa ang oras. Last 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
boss.
Change score na. Change score na. Change score. Hindi pa tapos. Tatakbo ang oras nyo. Last 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Change score. Number 77. For 3. And 3. 14. 20. Oi. Left ball. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. For 3. Now, when 13. Oi. Wow. Grabe na yan. Oh, Pilipinas. Pilipinas. May ayaw pa. Grabe. Wow. 22. 14. Number 77. Binigay kayo ay number 7. Number 7. Pass number 77. Binigay number 9. Number 9 for the point line. Ito naman naman. Ang wayaling Leo pass. Last 1 minute and 14 seconds. Oy!
Meron kayo number 11 pa rin yan. Number 11, Riles. Grabe naman si Riles.
Pero wala. Makuha yan. Number 7. Number 7. Sa gilid. Wala makuha yan siya. Siya ba?
Tarzan. Tarzan. Uy! Nakuha ni Brian. Grabe naman. Ayan na. Nakuha niya ni Brian. Brian, dami siya. Masyadong last. Okay, number 77.
Last 1 minute. Number 77. Stop. After number 9. Number 9. Back to number 15. Number 15. Oy! Grabe naman yun. 16. 22. Last 50 seconds. Takawin nyo. 50 seconds na lang. 45 seconds. Last 5 seconds.
2, 3, 1. Game ball. 60, 24.